bag drop, and I guess the on after is going to be. Half arrow. Okay. The great equalizer. There must be another.
This way.
Yeah.
Oh, we could have made it.
It's gonna look cool. On. All right. Okay.
Sorry.
See this?
Oh, how cute! That is real hair.
We caught the hares. Uh-huh. A nice garden here.
That is nice. Nice entry.
Cemetery. Bike ahead.
We didn't go underneath the train again, did we?
I don't.
Did we cross over?
Yeah, there we go. On across.
We both line.
All right. Lights in our favor. On down. And then back over. Yeah, yeah.
Where's our barracks? Over there, no?
Yeah, down at the cheap beer place.
Just missed the 7-Eleven.
Yeah, I saw it. I said,
Change of plan.
Change. Oh, after you cross?
That's where it goes, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
But the restaurant we went to is...
Oh, I think they were going to do that, the
Circle.
Yeah,
circle
yeah.
over here.
Yeah, in the park. Open space.
Beer. There's beer that way. Yeah.
You want to pick that one?
Yeah, this way. That's the arrow to the on in.
Yeah, they aren't in there.
I mean the to the bag check. There they are. All right. We made it.
from the hair. Hey everybody, how would you think about trail?
What a mess!
No enough now for
How can a trail double back over itself?
Not enough checkpoints.
Madam, any comments?
Don't let him off. Just step on him.
You have note, please.
Hey, the
Venus, he sucks horse Venus. He's the meanest, he's the horse's ass. Hey, ever since he found it, oh, all he does is pound it. Hey, he's the meanest, he's the horse's ass. So down, 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 down. Yay. Here we are returning from the Tokyo Hash. A little bit after 11 o'clock, having a great on after at the place that charges 200 yen for a beer. And we had vodka, we had sake, we had wine.
We had too much.
We had too much.
And now it's hard for us to find our way home.
But we know our way home because we are hashers. On.